Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Bgmi Facebook login problem. First, update your Facebook app, then download this 111 faster and safer internet app. Open and click on next. Click on accept. Click on connect. Then go to your settings. Scroll down. Click on application and permissions. Then click on app manager. Search for Facebook app. Then go to internal storage and clear all data and caches. Next, clear caches of your Battleground India app. Then click on permissions. Then on files and media and allow permission. Restart your phone and connect to VPN. Now try to log in Bgmi game. If this method is still not working, then it's Bgmi server problem. You will have to wait till the problem is solved. So this was the process by which you can fix Bgmi Facebook login problem. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.